Want to keep your media viewing habits private or just tidy up your recently played list in VLC Media Player? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can quickly clear out your recently opened media files history and also how to permanently turn off VLC's history saving so no new items get recorded going forward. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your media choices confidential on any computer using VLC. Let's jump straight into the first part, which is clearing your current playback history. Start by opening up VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't have it up already, just search for VLC in your Start menu or Applications folder and open it. Once it's running, look up at the top menu bar and you'll see an option labeled Media. Go ahead and click that. Now hover your mouse over the option called Open Recent Media. You'll notice a drop-down list appears showing all the files you've recently watched or listened to. This list can be handy if you want to pick up where you left off, but sometimes it's better to have a clean slate, especially if you share your computer or just prefer more privacy. At the very bottom of that list, you'll see Clear. Click on this option. Instantly, VLC will wipe out the recent media list and nothing you've played before will show up here. That's all it takes, just a single click and your recent history is gone. If you're wondering why this matters, it's mostly about privacy. Maybe you watched a video research for work, or there's a family computer and you don't want everyone seeing your playlist. Clearing the recent media list keeps things discreet. But what if you want VLC to stop tracking this history altogether? It's actually quite simple to disable this feature so that new items never get added to the list in the first place. Let me walk you through it. Open VLC again if it's not still running. This time, head up to the Tools menu at the top and click it. From the drop-down, select Preferences. This is where you can change how VLC looks and behaves. In the Preferences window, you'll be on the Interface tab by default, but double-check just in case. Look for a section called Privacy Networking Interaction. Sometimes it's easy to skip past this section because it's not as flashy as the playback or subtitles settings, but it's actually quite important if privacy is your goal. Under this section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Save Recently Played Items. By default, this box is ticked, which means VLC automatically tracks what you watch. To stop this from happening, simply untick or uncheck the box. This tells VLC that you don't want it to save your playback history anymore. Remember, anytime you make a change in the settings, you need to hit the Save button at the bottom right corner to lock it in. This part's easy to forget but absolutely crucial, otherwise your changes won't take effect. For this new setting to start working, you'll need to restart VLC. Just close it out and open it again. From now on, VLC won't add any new files to your recently played list. You've just given yourself a little extra privacy and your recent media history will stay blank. That's all there is to it. Hope this helped you take control of your media privacy in VLC. If you found the walkthrough useful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop a comment below. I check them regularly. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.